In this video, I want to show you how to permanently disable Windows updates. It is sometimes annoying when you are working and the Windows updates pump up, and sometimes when you want to update, it can take forever to update. So today I want to show you how to permanently disable it. Step number 1, come to this search and search for service. Here is it. So click to open service page. Yes, when it opens, scroll down to Windows Updates. Here is it. So right click and open Properties. So when it opens, come to this Startup type. Instead of manual, click here and disable. Change it to disable. Then apply. Then come to recovery. Then come to force failure. Click on this drop down and choose take no action. Click on apply and click on OK. Then close this page. A second method, come to this start icon, right click and click on run. This will open the run page. Here type regedit and click on OK. This will bring a pump up. Click on yes. This will open this page. Come under HK local machine. Come to software. Then look for Microsoft. Click to expand it. Then scroll down to Windows. This is it, Windows. Once you are at Windows, just right click, come to new, click on key. Then here type Windows Updates. Once you have typed it, hit enter. Let me expand this for you to see it well. This is what we just created. Right click, come to new and click on key. Then here type AU and hit enter. Make sure you select this AU, then come to this blank space. Right click, come to new and choose the word 32-bit value. Click on it. Then here type no auto updates. Make sure there is no space in between. Then hit enter or just click outside. Then double click this no auto updates. Under value data here, give the value as 1. Then click on OK. So with this, we are done. We have successfully permanently disabled Windows updates. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.